Hi everyone, I am Manaim and welcome to my channel. Today I am making sweet and spicy tortilla wraps. For that, first we are going to marinate the chicken, half kg boneless chicken. So cut the chicken into small pieces and marinate it with half teaspoon crushed red chili, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon mustard paste, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, and mix it well and leave it for 15 minutes. Now cook it on low flame until chicken is done, then turn off the heat and let it cool. Okay, so now we are making buffalo sauce. For that you need 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon crushed red. Now cook it on low flame. Add 4 tablespoon ketchup, 4 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, and 1 tablespoon honey. Cook it for 2-3 minutes and turn off the heat. Okay, now your sauce are ready. Now take your favorite vegetables and season it with vinegar, salt and pepper. Okay, now take the tortilla wraps which are easily available in the market and then apply buffalo sauce all over the wrap. Now take salad leaf and put it in the middle, and then take chicken and add it on the salad leaf. Now take some vegetable and spread it on the chicken. At this point you can even add mayonnaise, but I suggest not to because it tastes more good with the buffalo sauce. Now you can wrap it and you can have it as it is, or you can even toast it on a pan. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and when you subscribe please click the notification bell that whenever I will post a new video you will get a notification. And don't forget to like and share my video and comment down below if any other video you would like to me to make. So thank you for watching.